In this video, we are going to do Unit 2, Places and Buildings, Listening Tasks 13 to 15. You can pause the video and spend some time to read the message I've posted. Let's review the lesson objectives. So, what did we practice in the previous units? In the previous tasks of this unit? We practiced answering short answer questions and spelling names correctly. So now we are going to take an exam type question. Okay, and you're going to answer these questions. You need to answer the questions using the number of words given in the instruction. And you need to be careful with your spellings. So let's go to the task. Exam skills. Okay. So we are going to do these 3 tasks in this video. Right, okay. Exam skills. Task 13. Let me show you all the 3 tasks together. Yes, can you see all the 3 tasks together? Okay. So in task 13, you need to find out for which questions you need to write a number only. Okay. So to do this, you need to focus on the question word. Yes? Okay. So read questions 1 to 8 here in task 15. Okay. And look for question words that ask you for a number. Okay. Like, for example, how many? You know, you need to write a number. This task is on Moodle. So you can complete this task on your Moodle page. Task 14 is finding keywords. Okay. I already showed you how to find keywords. Focus on the question word and look for content words. Do you remember what I told you about keywords? Keywords are words that carry the meaning of the question. So you can ignore or not pay attention to prepositions, articles, and the prepositions like in, on, at, okay? Words that are not important. Focus on content words, especially nouns, noun phrases. And here you need to also focus on the question words or phrases. Okay, so find the keywords in these questions. This is task 14. Go back to your Moodle page and complete the task. And task 15, listen and answer questions 1 to 8. So first you listen and answer these questions. But before you answer, you need to read the instruction carefully. Okay? Right. Understand what you're required to do. So you listen and complete this task. After you complete the task, read your answers carefully and check for these 3 things. Check your spelling. Did you write numbers in digit form? What do we mean by digit form? Not word form. Like, for example, one, O-N-E is the word form. Digit form is number 1, okay? So in the previous task, I told you it's always good to write the number in the digit form so that you are less likely to make mistakes. Did you check that you've written the correct number of words? 1 word, 2 words here. You read the instructions yourself, okay? All right. So there are 8 questions here. So I'm going to show you this task on my Moodle page. So this is the task. Okay, so you need to complete this task. Complete this task. And complete this task. Okay, the 3 tasks. Let me play the audio for you for task 15, which is the exam skills task, which is the last task. So you need to complete that task and then check if your spellings are okay, if you've written the numbers correctly. Yeah, okay. So I'll play the audio for you.
Track 21. So, how's your very first week at university going, Rita? It's orientation week for all you new students, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. Orientation week. Yes, it's great fun. There are so many different events going on to help us make friends and find our way around the university. And to get around the city, come to that. But you'll remember all that, John. You were a new student once.
That's true. I remember I went on a walking tour of the city on my first day, and I think some students did a bus tour.
Well, I did a bike tour. I was sent an email about it and I decided to sign up. There were only 8 places and there were 7 other names on the list already, so I got the very last place.
I didn't know you had a bike.
I don't have a bike, but that didn't matter. We all hired them from a little cycle hire shop on Barkway Street. You probably know the place.
Barclay Street? Do you mean the Barclay Street on campus?
No, it's Barkway Street. Barkway. Number 22 Barkway Street, to be exact. It was great. We could choose a traditional bike or an electric one.
So I take it you went electric?
Yes, of course I did. Well, think about it. Why ride a traditional bike when you can get around the city much faster on an electric one? And because there was a group of us, it wasn't too expensive. In fact, the cycle hire was only $120 for the whole group. So the cost was only $15 per person, and that was for 3 whole hours.
Did you say $50?
No, $15. So I thought it was really quite cheap. And I didn't have to bring along a helmet to wear either. That was included. And we also got a lock. So it was easy to park our bike safely when we wanted to stop and take a break.
Sounds good. Have you got the website address of the place you got your bike from? I quite like the idea of doing a bike tour.
Yes, it's a really easy one to remember. It's tradeelectric.com.
Can you say that again?
Trade Electric. TradeElectric. All one word, .com.
Thanks, Rita.
No problem. Hey, maybe we can do a bike tour together. I'd love to cycle as far as the harbour next time.
Great. That's a date then.
When you finish the task, don't forget to check these. Okay? This is the end of this video. Thank you.